In this video, I'm going to show you how to preview audio and video files in Adobe Bridge. Now, the first thing you have to do is actually just find your video/audio file inside your folders inside Adobe Bridge. So just go to your computer's files over here and find it. I have two examples over here inside my folder. So I'm going to go and show you how to preview this. It's super simple. You want to go and click on a specific thing over here, either audio or a video file, and then it's going to preview over here on the right. As you can see, you have the pause and play buttons. You have this loop over here. You also have the option to change the volume, and of course you can go and seek whatever time you want inside that video or audio. Okay, so if I click on the video over here, I do have like a video tutorial on a bridge over here. So I'm just going to show you. As you can see, I can preview it very easily over here, and yeah, it's actually working as intended. Okay, now if you can see this preview tab over here, you want to go to the top over here on the top where it says window. So you want to click on window, and you want to make sure that preview is enabled. If it's not, you won't be able to see this. So go to window, preview, then click on either audio or video file, and then it's going to play for you over here on the right. Now if you want to make this a bit bigger, you could go ahead and of course double click on this, or like you could pop it out, or of course like resize it like this, and it's gonna be bigger. Okay, so those are all the ways you could do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.